Arugamiriri wadi kuma kaunti ya Kiambu nimarutite mukana wa kuhagura gavana wa kaunti ino niwe Kimani Wamatangi kumana na kiriamaugite ni uhuthiri muuru wa wabici na niingi uhuthiri muuru wa kigiina na gukire uguo mandikithitie muthurimu wa mathabu kuma thirikari ekire kabiro uthuthuria wa uria besha ikoretwo ikihuthika na kana uria besha ikoretwo ihuthikite thiini wa kaunti ino na oho ni mandikithitie inspector wa borithi ekire mukode gukorwo na mushinga kwa umwe wa arangiri Wamatangi kana gavana uyu wa Kiambu niwe Wamatangi.
We want to talk about a monster called Wamatangi Foundation. This is a monster because when we were elected, the people of Kiambu elected us to represent them at ward level. But when the governor, Kimani Wamatangi, took over, he brought this amoral kind of government called Wamatangi Foundation. They are undermining MCAs in their wards, and we are calling him to stop and let the MCA do their jobs in their wards. We have seen Governor Kimani Wamatangi working as a one-man show government, that he's the one who decides where, what to be done, where, and each and every department he's hands-on. That even you cannot ask a chief officer, roads, to give you a grader, you have to report to Wamatangi's office. We are saying this is not the way Kiambu should work.
One, we've had an illegality of having chief officers operating without being vetted by this county assembly. Sure. And actually we are challenging the office of the Auditor General to audit this issue. And if need be, people must be surcharged for getting monies illegally, because this house is mandated to vet the chief officers before they are appointed. We also have the small matter of the chief of the CECM roads. As we all know, this house vetted waziris, and 3 of them have resigned. And at an acting capacity, the CEC roads was never vetted by this house. And again, we are inviting the relevant, and we've written to the relevant bodies or arms of government to investigate this matter. And again, if need be, this is an illegality and people must be surcharged.